Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy, what is that? Who knows? I'm making some wraps for us today for dinner. It's what's going to be for our dinner. Just like some turkey and ham wraps, and I've got different things to go on it, like pickles and kale and green onions and tomatoes and I don't know, whatever else I can find. I think I've got some red peppers down there. There's little jarred red peppers. I think that would be really good on it as well, but I don't know, we'll see. But I'm just gonna throw it together, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do that as well. I bought the low carb wraps. I really like just the plain low carb wraps, but they also have like one that's like a light Italian low carb wrap, and they've got spinach. They've got all kinds, but today the one that I'm going to be using for mine is like the light Italian one, so it's really good. I can't remember how many carbs are in it. I'll have to look at it. I left them out in my car though. I went to the store before I had to take my mom somewhere today. But I've got a small pot of chili going because I figure that'd be great to go with the wraps because it's really cold outside. I'm not going to show you how to make chili because I think I've got a couple different videos on here where I'm making chili. I might let you peek at, you know, me throwing the tomatoes in there or something, but yeah, that'd be it. This is basically going to be a video showing you how to do the wrap, but I thought chili would be a good idea. I want to show you something that I found. Normally when I make chili, sometimes I use my own seasoning. I make my own seasoning to it, but I found this at the grocery store over the weekend. I thought it was looked kind of tasty. So it's the McCormick's chili, and it's hot because, you know, I like my stuff spicy. I'm all about spice, you know. I'm a little spicy myself, but I thought that would be really good. So I want to give it a try. Look at that. And then maybe if I like it, I'll let you guys know and you can try it, or maybe you've tried it and you can let me know what you think about it. But because I always usually put either crushed red peppers or some hot sauce, or sometimes both in it, but I'm going to give that a try. Why not? You know, I'm always up to trying anything. But I'm just going to go ahead and get my onion chopped. Hopefully this onion's as strong as the last one. I like a lot of onions in mine. You know, they say you're really not supposed to eat a lot of onions on if you're doing like low carb or keto or whatever, because they have some carbs to them. But hey, you know what? You know what I figure? I'm not putting a piece of bread in there, so I think I can have onions. Am I right or am I right? Lord have mercy, those onions should be called Satan onions. I'm telling you, the tears rolling down my eyes already. I don't know what's wrong with those onions. I mean, it's like you can't even buy onions anymore without like bawling your eyes out while you're cutting them. But I am truly trying to get this chili put together before Olivia gets home because, woo, talking to me, my friends. Because she's going to be hungry. Dang, I almost scorched it talking to you all. I'll throw my onions in my garlic in there. Started to call it celery. I better turn that stuff down. I also have a can of cannelli beans. I'm going to put some salt in this. Which all they are really is white kidney beans. I think I might put half of a can in there. I think that will be all right with those because, like I said, I need a new pepper mill. My pepper mill broke, so I have to use this. Somebody needs to go down to my P.O. box. It's listed down there, and send me a new pepper mill, a new salt and pepper shaker mill. Now, come on, guys. Show the love. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have to do that. I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes. I'd really rather use the petite dice, but, you know, I can't always find them. I like my chili thin. Some people put, like, tomato juice and stuff in there, but, you know, I really don't. If I want to thin my chili out, I always just use water. Because, you know, if you got too much tomatoey stuff in there, let me get some water, then it adds a different texture to it, like the soup. It's like a almost like a tomato soup. And you know, I'm not about that. I don't like that. If I like it thin, then I like it to be more soupy. And if it's got that base to it, that, you know, that base I was telling you about, I don't like it. I don't like it. Hey, if that's the way you make it. I am quite alright with that. You know, everybody's taste is different. That's why we all cook differently, you know? You know what I'm saying? Alright. The eyes have it. I'm going to go ahead and put some beans in there. Just a little bit. I mean, they're good fiber. We all need fiber, especially at my age. Are you kidding me? We won't put a whole lot in there. Since it's not a big pot. Dang. Lord, look, them are some big beans. And then I'm just going to add that chili mixture in there. You know what I'm also going to add to this? Because I like to always add a little extra. Because you know that's what I'm about. I'm going to add some minced onion flakes. Because it's just going to add flavor. That's all it's going to do, baby, is flavor. I'm going to add a little extra garlic powder. I like my stuff seasoned. I don't play. There you go. Simple, simple pot of chili. But I told you I wasn't going to tell you how to make because I've already got chili recipes on here. And you know what? My chili never tastes the same, ever, twice. I'm going to try this. See how it turns out. Add flavor to it. Look at that. I think that looks delicious. What y'all think? Look down in there. We're going to try that. This like took me 10 minutes to throw together, really, after I got my ground chuck browned up. I think that looks really good. So we're gonna bring this up to a boil. I'm just gonna let that cook just for, you know, till all the flavors marry. You know, it's gotta marry. Like a little match made in heaven. Now, I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can. Let me see if does anything look like. Don't look in there. Don't look behind my shoulder. I hadn't gotten my mail in like, I don't know, 5 years, and I just got it today. There's a package I've already ordered Christmas presents. Can you believe that? I'm out of my mind, I tell you. But I've got a couple presents that I've already ordered, but I had to get my mail. It's all stacked over there. It's like a whole bunch. I'd be ashamed of myself. Luckily, I pay all my bills online, so I've already paid them. So it feels kind of good to be able to throw them in the trash. All right, this is what we normally use for our tortillas. These tortillas, they have 6 net carbs in them, and these are great for anything like soft tacos or anything you put on a sandwich, on sandwich bread. You could put on these, and it turns out perfect. Like I said, these have like 6 grams of carbs in them. And now these I just bought today. These are the light Italian herb. It says they have like 22, but after you take away the fiber, they only have like 10. So, and these are pretty big. So actually, that's what I'm going to use today. See how big it is? And then I'll just cut it in half, and it's going to be so good. My chili's done. I've got all my goodies cut out for this. Make all kinds of noise, ain't I? In here, I've got, this is my paper plate, about what's left of it, because the husband's already made his. I've got some sandwich stackers and some roasted red peppers. I love those. They're going to be perfect on this. And then on here, I've got some onions, shredded lettuce, and tomatoes. I'm going to use some mayonnaise, cheese, turkey, and ham for my roll-up. So let's get started assembling it. Alright, I'm going to start with putting a little bit of mayonnaise on mine, or a lot. These things are kind of dry, so. You want to kind of make sure that you put everything to one side, because you're going to roll it. I like quite a bit of mayonnaise on mine. I like it to be wet. I don't like to be, dry roll up, you know what I'm saying? And the texture of these are a little thick, so they're very filling. Okay, now we're going to start with the turkey. This is just, I got the honeysuckle white turkey, which I like that. I should have put it out on plates, but I didn't. And it is nice and paper thin. Look at that. I'm going to have me a bite of that real quick. And just kind of, good. You don't want to make them too thick because they'll be hard to roll. And then I got just some cooked ham. If you want to get the other kind, there's like Virginia ham and that baked, whatever that baked stuff is. But I'm really not a big fan of that. I just like this. See, it's paper thin and it's going to go perfect on this wrap. And you just build it just like so, just like you would a sandwich. I'm gonna put one more piece on there, just because I'm hungry. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And I gotta have a bite of that ham too. You know, I gotta have a bite of everything. That ham is really good. Same kind of ham I used to make my potato soup with. Yummies. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of onion. And you know, anything that I'm putting on mine that you don't like, you don't have to put it on there. You can just leave it off. You don't like onion? Don't put onion on there. I like onion though. And then we're gonna put some, let's put some pickle on there now. I'm just gonna put one pickle on there. And I'm gonna put some of this roasted red pepper. Oh, this is good. This is going to add just a little bit of deliciousness to it. Can you see it? And then I'm going to lay some tomatoes on it. Just two. And a little lettuce. Now, if you really want to go out, you could put a little bit of olive oil and vinegar and olive oil on it. That'd be really good. You know, there's some like those sub things that you get that you can sub oils is what I'm trying to say, and then you just roll it up just like that. Look at that. Can you see that? Now I'm just going to cut it right in half. That's prettier if you kind of do it sideways, you know what I'm saying? And look at that. Look how pretty that is. And absolutely delicious. And I'm losing my stuff out of it. Alright, you know what I realized? I didn't even put cheese on mine. I've got it all wrapped up, but that's okay. I'm not taking it apart to put the cheese on. Trust me, I probably had enough cheese snacking anyway. So, look again, look how pretty that is. And you know I gotta take a bite. That is really good, especially with that onion. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. You know I appreciate you. I love you so very much, and I'll see you on the next recipe episode of In the Kitchen.